In this video, I will be changing the hubs on these budget AliExpress 2.2 beadlock wheels. I purchased these wheels from AliExpress for £25 and didn't experience any problems mounting the 5.25J concept ruptures on them. I will be fitting these 12.5mm brass hubs, also from AliExpress, in the hope that I can extend the track with the bit to stop the tires rubbing on the front links when maximum lock is applied. The supplied hubs were also causing a problem by becoming jammed on the wheel hexes of my optic kit build, requiring brute force to remove them. The brass hubs are a better fit. Fortunately, the bolt pattern on the new hubs was a perfect match for the wheels. Once I got everything lined up with a small driver, they went on without any drama. I like to use this Bosch electric screwdriver to apply an even torque to all of the bolts after tightening everything up by hand, as I fitted an optional and adjustable torque adapter, which helps reduce the risk of stripping out threads. I recently upgraded all of my drivers to MIP, which are really high-quality tools. They are so well made and accurate they will hold a fastener on the tip without any fear of it falling off. So that's one wheel done with only 3 more to do. I hope you have enjoyed this video and will be able to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.